That's why you have that on. That's why you have that on. You can't escape.
Us together, but it don't matter, no.
Oh, what are you? Oh, you're so soft. Oh, you smell nice too.
That you have to clean yourself. I put you here and you jump here.
Oh my God.
You have dirt on your feet. Look at the dirt.
Push right here. Can we get a little more water, please? Okay. Now Nino has the advantage of having the sponge on his little hand. So he doesn't need to go in and dippy with the sponge. We need the flat in the bottom. I'm going to redo this, but he's just doing such a good job right now.
I swear, I just getting pulled over every day. Yes, officer. What am I doing? I'm going the speed limit. Oh, you need a warrant to be in here. You have to have a warrant to get into my vehicle, sir. I am a citizen of the United States of America, and I demand my rights. No, you cannot search my glove box. You cannot search anything. Thank you. Or else you come back when you get a warrant.